success doesn't come to those who just wait. It comes to those who actively engage with their goals, who plug into the system, and who utilize every resource available. Here at the Success Academy, we have prepared the lectures that is designed to support and guide you toward your goal. Utilize the material and seminar that are provided. They are all free. Reach out your sponsor, collaborate with your team, and never stop learning. The more you immerse yourself in this system, the more you will see your effort translate into the tangible result. I encourage you to take a full advantage of every opportunity that comes your way. Be proactive, be persistent, and be passionate about your journey.
누구나 성공할 수 있는 이 완벽한 시스템을 만들어놨기 때문에 우리가 자꾸 꿈을 가지고 나가기만 한다면 모두가 성공할 것이라고 얘기를 합니다. 애터미는 우리에게 무료로 플랫폼을 하나씩 주었습니다. 여러분 반드시 애터미라는 이 플랫폼이라는 이 기회를 잡으셔가지고 모두 임페리얼까지 가는 성공자가 되시길 바라며 마치겠습니다.
We are so happy and excited for this award. There's no such word to say.
Fellow Atomians, let us be consistent in sharing Atomy every day and focus in our dreams. So take the challenge and help your partners succeed, and your success will automatically follow.